to start with your introduction. Hello and welcome everybody. Welcome to the second episode of Psych Talks with Teachers. I'm your host, Ms. Basha, Director at iCharts and at iCharts Support Foundation. And today we have with us Ms. Veena Kumar, and she's going to talk about evolutionary psychology. And before I begin, I would like everybody watching us today to feel free to ask any kind of questions that you have in the comment section, and we'll surely make answer them. You can also start a watch party on the Facebook so that your friends and family can benefit out of this session, especially the students of psychology. If you have some people around you, so before I begin with the session and go ahead with the session introducing ma'am, uh, a quick reminder to everybody about the challenge currently that we have taken up about visit a mental health care practitioner. And I'm again going to, or right now going to reiterate my promise about visiting a mental health practitioner in future, if at all I require to visit them, if I have any kind of emotional or mental distress or discomfort. And I would also like to propose it to Veena ma'am that she can also make a video and have five people nominated and make this video with visit a mental health practitioner challenge and carry it forward in creating awareness. Yes, now I start with introduction to Veena ma'am. She is a psychology professor teaching at KC College, which is one of the most prestigious college in Mumbai. So those who are watching us from outside Mumbai, and she's been a teacher and a professor there for more than 2 decades. She is a social psychologist, a counselor, a Reiki master, a tarot reader, and also a psychic healer, and she's also head of the department at the college. And we very well warm welcome to ma'am for being here, for coming here. Uh, so, ma'am, all over to you. A quick introduction from your end,
Yeah,
ma'am, and then
thank
we
you, Mispa,
start.
for your kind. Yeah, thank you for your kind introduction, Mispa. I'm Miss Veena of Psychology in one of the prestigious colleges in Mumbai. I have been teaching evolutionary psychology since the year 2012. And as they say that the subject chooses you, in all these years, I've realized the importance and relevance of this subject, especially for students who are studying psychology at level, but also at a post-graduation level. Now, when I have to talk about what evolutionary psychology is, as the term evolutionary, evolution comes from, if we understand it in a layman's term, as changes, something that has happened over a period of time. So, in this subject, we will behaviors that have been existing since time immemorial. Our thoughts, feelings, behavior, social interaction, all right from time immemorial. Does it have a reason behind it? So when you look at the topics right now studied and research for the subject, we look at topics like cooperation, aggression, food acquisition, which places do we select for living, also romantic relationships in terms of short-term mating strategies, whom do we select for whom, long-term mating strategies, are all these instances that we study along with evolution of the mind, evolution of emotion. From where does it come from, and does it really have a role, a purpose in our living? Along with that, also what is important that we understand over here is, even with our thoughts, feelings and behavior, what causes it and what are the consequences of it, not only on ourselves, our biology, our physiology, our own thoughts, feelings and behavior, but also on
Mhm.
others thoughts, feelings and behavior. So if you go to see, sounds a little biased, evolutionary psychology is practically everywhere. So right from now that we are all witnessing a corona time, one can apply the concepts of evolutionary psychology till dating back as many years, thousands of years ago, of why are we the way we are as such. So one of the main aspects about evolutionary psychology is, if we look at in terms of gender differences in, let's say, in mating or division
Mhm.
of labor, there has been reasons identified. And one of the prominent themes in evolutionary psychology is always about in terms of survival and reproduction. So, any thought, any feeling, any behavior that enhances your survival, those genes, for example, will be carried on from one generation to the next. Now, why are we considering the aspect of genes? Why genes is, according to biologists, no behavior can occur in vacuum. That means we
Okay.
need certain mechanisms to execute thoughts in terms of what we are thinking. Without the hardware, we cannot really install a software. So, in that
Right.
sense, if you are able to speak, there are many mechanisms involved. The the length of your tongue, also the small tongue that is present in our mouth, our vocal cords, and also the genes that are involved in speaking. And many a times we might find a very strong correlation between people who are deaf and people who are unable to speak. That is, if you are not able to hear, probably you will find it difficult to speak. Somewhere it
Mm-hmm.
also has an evolutionary reasons behind it. Similarly, one might also observe that people who are blind or visually they are weak or they are unable to see gather information from there, but their other sensory organs will be sharper. So this is
Right.
nature's way of enhancing their survival. And when we
Mm-hmm.
talk about reproduction is, we all like to be, if I can say, live forever types. Like we all want to be, in Hindi as we say, amar rehna. And how do
Mm-hmm.
we become amar is only through the genes that are carried from one generation to the next or from parents to offspring. Now, if you look at activities that make us famous, it will be etched in history is one part of it, but your
Mm-hmm.
real genes are carried through your biology, that is in terms of not only selecting your but also being carried over to your offspring as such. And what is very very fascinating is, if you look at evolutionary psychology, a person has 100% genes. When he chooses
Mm-hmm.
to mate and has a child, for example, only 50% of the father goes to the child to make it 100%. So the child to start off with is already 50% different from you. And that is where you realize in exceptional cases will always be there, because this is human, and this is human life, and life will always give you examples contrary. Rarely you will have a family where harmoniously, not even one fight at any point as such, because
मैम आपकी आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है. Can you hear me? I am not able to hear you. Okay. I think she's got logged out and she will be joining us in few moments. I'm quickly going to say hi to everybody who's joined us. Hello, Mega ma'am. Hi, Sanjana. Hi, Raju. And yes, I will inform Veena ma'am that if she can work something on the video quality. Let's see. Let her join back. Um, and please do put in your questions if you have any questions related to evolutionary psychology. She is putting it across in a very, very detailed manner. And I think it is making it more interesting to know more about the subject. And keep joining us, and we'll wait for her so that she can join us and we can have all the understanding of everything from A to Z about evolutionary psychology from her. So stay tuned, write your questions. Hi Pooja, hi Ami, and hi Kalaivani. I think ma'am's back.
yeah, yeah, sorry,
Ma'am,
sorry,
just
sorry.
no,
Yeah,
no, absolutely no problem. Just give me a moment. You'll be available on the screen on the in the moment. I will just align it. Yes. Uh, Ma'am, is it possible to check the video quality at your end, as in is the internet working really well, so that because there is a suggestion from everybody that मैम का वीडियो बराबर से नहीं आ रहा है, मतलब थोड़ा
कैसे
ब्लर आ रहा
चाहिए
है।
वीडियो, मतलब आवाज नहीं आ रहा है?
नहीं, आपकी आवाज बराबर आ रही
लाइटिंग
है,
बराबर है?
लाइटिंग बराबर है। इट्स जस्ट दैट आई थिंक इंटरनेट का शायद इश्यू हो, पूरा ना आ रहा हो, इसकी वजह से वीडियो डिस्टॉर्ट हो रहा है। एनीवे वी विल कंटिन्यू।
इंटरनेट का थोड़ा फ्लक्चुएशन, इंटरनेट का हाँ,
नो प्रॉब्लम, वील कंटिन्यू मैम फ्रॉम वेयर यू
सो टू
स्टॉप।
स्टार्ट ऑफ, हाँ
हाँ जी, बोलिए बोलिए, कंटिन्यू मैम।
या so to start off, or rather to continue from where we last stopped, children to start off already 50% different from their parents. So many times we are wondering with question, बच्चा माँ बाप के साथ ऐसा झगड़ा कर रहा है, माँ बाप ने ऐसा किया बच्चे के साथ. Somewhere the answers lie in evolutionary psychology.
Okay.
We encounter sibling rivalry. We do wonder ऐसे कैसे भाई भाई कैसे झगड़ रहे हैं, भाई बहन कैसे झगड़ रहे हैं, या बहनों में कैसा जलन हो रहा है. Somewhere to start off, even your % different from you. So in that way, no doubt they come from same set of parents, but it is different genetics that are involved in bringing about another life on planet Earth.
Wow.
So here we also talk about why all children, or in majority of the cases, children are connected to mothers more. Mothers tend to probably
मैम
compared to the
आपकी
father.
आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है, मैम आपकी आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है। इज इट पॉसिबल दैट यू कैन गो
अभी
राइट नाउ? इट्स फाइन, अभी ठीक है, अभी ठीक है।
I switch off the fan.
No, no,
Okay.
the fan is not a disturbing
I'll
factor.
stop the
It's
fan if you
the
want.
internet. It's about the internet, I think. Can you go somewhere near
Okay.
a window where you will have more network और आपके modem जहाँ पे भी लगा हो?
The phone is next to me where I'm connecting the internet.
Okay, okay, ठीक है. We can continue. Because
the moment I go to the window, I feel there will be fluctuation.
Okay, okay. Because I'm just getting suggestions from people that we are not able to hear her clearly. Her voice is breaking.
Now?
Now it is fine. अभी ठीक है मैम.
Hold mic. हाँ,
No, it's okay. You don't need to.
Okay. Okay. So again, the whole concept of who leaves the property or resources to whom are also examined in evolutionary psychology. Why do we encounter so many cases between relatives? What is the reason? Stranger claiming rights over properties to someone else. All these answers lie in evolutionary psychology. And even as parents, we would like to, for example, allocate resources probably to children equally. And why does one child want more compared to the others? Why that fight is always ongoing? And in that sense, if you go to see, all of us have probably understood with reference to Mahabharata, Ramayana, how those instances fighting for kingdom are all such instances that are explained in evolutionary psychology. Along with this, also in terms of morality, from where does morality come from? Who teaches morality? And in the Indian context, we all have come across the word sanskari. And when we say sanskar, it means somewhere some part of it is definitely inherited through genes as such. And very often when it comes to proposals also, we say we a sanskari ladka, and somewhere we do background checkups of the groom and the bride, for example, or the girl and the boy, only because somewhere answers lie in their genes as such. Evolutionary psychology can be a way to to help us face reality. If you're ready to face reality, it can be a biggest illusion. And yet, at the same time, if you observe it with honesty, you realize that this is the truth, where somewhere all of us, because of survival and reproduction, we tend to bring maximum benefits for ourselves than otherwise. So, this
Okay.
evolutionary psychology as a chapter or as a subject is all encompassing.
Mm-hmm.
Upon you as a keen observer, where all you can find connections. So, if I can give a small example with reference to Corona time, where people did
Definitely, ma'am.
talk about increasing your immunity because that enhanced your
मैम आपकी
survival.
आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है वापस से.
Immunity, immunity, enhancing survival.
मैम आपकी आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है.
Immunity, enhancing survival. अभी अभी
Okay. Can you hear me?
now,
Yeah, fine, fine.
yeah,
Fine.
I can hear you very clearly.
Okay. Please continue then.
So if you like Corona time, obviously in Corona time, immunity increases survival, and to enhance
Right.
immunity, you need to eat certain type of food. So I don't know if many of y'all are aware. Probably if y'all Google, y'all will come across a food item known as khakra, immunity booster during Corona. So those are known only as Corona khakras to increase immunity. So if you look at enhancing resources, because you to something which is a need of the hour, and yet at the same time you are enhancing the survival of an individual. So if you look at evolution at that point of time, but now we all come down to money as a currency, money also serving its own function as such. So this is the basic understanding about evolutionary psychology.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I think it was really well put across, and I think it has made me more curious to know about the subject. More, maybe we are going to discuss it some more with respect to different questions that I have. So, ma'am, now with respect to since we have the audience as students also who will be watching this uh, live or this video, so how important is this subject to study for for children who are pursuing psychology? Ma'am,
Since all of us are human beings, as
right.
budding psychologists or in the time, children will become psychologists. It is very important to understand human thoughts, feelings,
Mm-hmm.
and behavior in an all. So, if you look at evolutionary from where it has begun, how it has the theme is the same, but manifestations have been different. So, if you look at the importance of this subject, it is how, and what I mean by spiritual is it simply enhances your awareness. It makes you
Okay.
become more mindful and careful of the choices that you make. Like to give, if you have seen this advertisement of shadi.com, the
Right.
father is telling the son, now in Corona, where are you going out? So he says, I'm going to meet me. And then the father says, how? He shows the phone or the tab matter and says, like this, I'm going to interact with my proposed mate, such. Same, but the manifestation probably
Ma'am,
if it was pre-corona,
ma'am, video
corona,
is voice is breaking. Voice is
abhi,
breaking. Voice is breaking.
abhi,
अभी अभी ठीक है आप आके बोलोगे तो मैं आपको बताऊंगी.
abhi, I'll go slow then.
Yeah.
I'll go slow then.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
Huh.
Okay.
So if you look at pre-corona and post-corona, maybe shadi.com or apps meeting may reduce compared to face-to-face meeting. So in that way also, if you observe the evolutionary psychology, that if you have to apply the concepts here, one of the news that we probably have heard is that corona as a virus has mutated. So if you look at virus also as an organism, it enhances its survival by mutating. So it's not in the original, but it is more in terms of how to survive even from the corona point of view. For us, it was social distancing, lockdown, and also probably disinfecting our hands and constantly touched surfaces than otherwise. So if you look at the importance of evolutionary psychology, in terms we'll also be studying in terms of influences and interaction of societal factors on survival and reproduction. So over here, for example, was people in society encouraging people to get married as soon as probably graduation is over, or the moment the child reaches puberty. And very often the parents may say, nahi bachchi choti hai, abhi to sirf 12th mein. So has an evolutionary reasons in it, and there are various permutations and combinations of people who will come for counseling. Having background of evolutionary psychology will help to an extent from where this problem is coming up. So if you look at typical instances of differences between the boys side and the girls side, to start off only, the genetics of the bride and the groom is 100% different. So if you realize the conflict between parents and children just being 50% different is so strong, imagine the bride side and the groom side. When the genes have changed 100%, that will take place. On what reasons the conflict will take place are all in a way studied in evolutionary psychology. Also, we'll be studying with reference to if a particular behavior is a cause or consequence. It can be circular in reasoning in that way. This is the cause, that becomes the consequence, this becomes the cause. Studying the pros and the consequences of thoughts, feelings, and behavior.
Okay.
So, in that way, evolutionary psychology is a highly relevant subject, provided you are wanting to see reality as it is. So, there's no sugarcoating in evolutionary psychology. It can be sometimes disheartening to say, oh, all this 70, 80 years a man or a human survives. Only centered on two main aspects: survival and
I think very well, ma'am explained about how important is a subject to understand thoughts, emotions, behaviors, and I think that's how I think students should be taking it. It's quite interesting, I think. So, ma'am, what kind of challenges would the students face while learning the subject?
um, we all come from a certain background.
Right,
So there are certain thoughts, feelings, and behavior which we bring to classroom. And very
right,
often we behave as per our beliefs.
true.
Evolutionary psychology, that is an eye opener.
Mm-hmm.
Conflict with your parent. Evolutionary will say it is about survival and reproduction.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas our beliefs will say, how can I fight with my own parents? Why is that person fighting with that parent? A lot of judgments come. So if you keep judgments aside,
Mm-hmm.
reality will always catch up. And that comes in the form of evolutionary psychology. So one of the challenges is it all about only? Do parents care for us? Is only because of we are carriers of their genes and nothing more, can be very hard hitting, and not otherwise. Become
Okay.
selfish, saying that maximum investment should come to me, not even to my siblings, because they're 50% different. In fact, there is a narration that talks about that even if parents are dividing food equally, and
Mm-hmm.
if you as a sibling takes a larger share, and when the parents try to correct you, saying ऐसे नहीं करते भाई को दो या दीदी को दो, how often we keep some part of it and give a little part to the sibling. The
Right.
context you can understand from the property part also. We want
Mm-hmm.
the majority, थोड़ा बहुत दे दिया, why? Because खून है. Are all such instances. So these challenges are actually questioned, or rather I say these beliefs are questioned, and it becomes challenging because students still find it very difficult, saying that, oh, it's all about only survival and reproduction. Along with that, also they understand a human is born is only for reproduction and survival. So if you
Okay.
watch film Jab Tak Hai Jaan, Shah Rukh Khan star, Katrina Kaif.
Ma'am, ma'am, your voice is breaking. Once again, you will have to repeat it, what you
Now,
said.
now.
Abhi theek
Yeah,
hai.
I'll repeat.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I said sometimes it really makes us question that all the way we are born is only for survival and reproduction care. So if you
Mm-hmm.
recall watching this film Jab Tak Hai Jaan, Shah Rukh Khan
Haan.
and Katrina Kaif. The
Right.
first half of the film, you really see Shah Rukh Khan barely earning minimum, and a lot of time goes in romance. And one
Right.
literally wonders, और कुछ काम धंधा नहीं है क्या? But then ideally, that is where it comes down to. Earning a lot. What makes you earn a lot? One is you're increasing your survival because then you have
Right.
access to a lot of other
More
resources that
resources.
enhance your
Right.
survival, and also
Right.
to attract a better mate. Remember,
Right.
some time back there was this advertisement of Fair and Lovely where the
Uh-huh.
father tells the girl to get married and she says, no, I want a house of my own. फिर वो equal होगा.
Haan.
There
Haan.
also you're talking about enhancing your survival. That is, in case if something
Absolutely.
goes wrong with the relationship,
I can
I
take
have
care
my
of
own
myself.
house, my own shelter, and I will take care of it. So in that
Absolutely. It
way,
makes
the
so much of sense.
examples, if you look for examples, you will find it very consistent with evolutionary psychology.
That is so interesting.
So for that, for students, the faster they accept this reality, the better for them. So
Right.
even when we talk about education, academics, number of degrees, is
Mm-hmm.
the perception of the understanding is higher the degree, better paying job.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Along with that, we are assuming with higher degree means more skills, and
More
more
skills.
skills means you're able to apply that at a job setting,
Mm-hmm.
and they are ready to pay you more. Why? Because that also enhances the profit of the company that you're working for.
Right.
So which means
Right.
the employees higher pay, a lot of other aspects for survival is taken care of, and getting a good proposal is also in the pipeline. So very often college romances are actually deterred, saying पहले कुछ बन जा, पैरों पे खड़े
Mm-hmm.
हो जा, is only
Mm-hmm.
because survival becomes a question. And very often we have
Right.
heard, प्यार में तो हवा पानी में तो नहीं जी सकते है ना, you really need real खाना पीना, कहाँ रखोगे बहू
Yeah.
को, कहाँ रखोगे लड़की. And very often if a man is not working,
Mm-hmm.
generally proposals are rejected also, both from the girl as well as from the boys.
Right.
So again, in terms of not only from finance part of view, but also in terms of certain disabilities, we
Mm-hmm.
reject proposals somewhere believe it has manifested in a person, means somewhere genes will be there in that person, and that
Right.
to their offsprings as such. And again, in
Right.
certain, in fact, in all cultures, most often incest relationships are dissuaded, or in the genetic pool to marry cousins or within relatives is avoided, because whatever diseases, disorders are there to the same genetic pool as such. So in the Indian context, you have heard same Gotra not allowed to marry are all such instances that talk about evolutionary point of view because the same genetic.
मैम आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है वापस.
अभी
अभी ठीक है, वापस आप बोलेंगे तो पता चलेगा.
कहाँ तक till where was the voice stable?
I think you talked about in Indian culture वहाँ से break हो गया. So we heard
The
about
Gotra
not
marriages,
marrying.
the
Yeah,
Gotra marriages,
we
because
heard about the
Gotra
Gotra
talks
marriages.
about. So that evolutionary psychology because the same genetic pool, same lineage. So disorders tend to carry over from one generation to the next.
Right.
So to enhance survival of the offspring, it is better to be unrelated than otherwise.
Okay.
So in certain cultures, they allow the child to marry their own mother because the 50% of genes comes from the father who is not from the same genetic pool, for example. In certain cases, when it is a far off relative, they say, हाँ बहुत दूर are also instances of it. In the same way, why a boy should be older than the girl? Because by then he can build on resources that will help in taking care of the mate as well as the offspring.
Right. It's quite interesting, ma'am, about the topic. So, ma'am, so coming back to the third question that that I had asked, it was about the challenges what students face. So you said that it would be about the belief that they come with, and that is challenged when they learn more about evolutionary
Yes.
psychology. So it's just the belief thing, or there are other challenges also that they face while learning the subject.
One is there will be many minute details in the chapters. One point will be connected to other points, though the underlying theme is the same. It comes to survival and reproduction. But
Ma'am, आवाज
point
ब्रेक
under
होने
it,
लगी है.
several researchers across culture, it talks about the underlying theme is the same, survival and reproduction. But there are several other researchers across cultures who have done research to find evidence in evolutionary psychology. So there are under the same broad topics which spans across culture, across time, across ages, across genders. Students feel कि हाँ basic survival reproduction पता है, पर उसके अंदर if you want to get better marks, gets a little bit difficult for students because so many points are there, each one connecting to each other.
Right. So that's one set of challenge that they face, right?
And it can probably get a little monotonous because every chapter eventually comes down to the basic theme. It is about survival and
Will and
reproduction.
reproduction. Okay. मतलब मैम मतलब पिछले 20
So
आधे
there's
घंटे
no
से
new
सर्वाइवल और
explanation to it.
Okay, right. But I was just going to tell you that कि
Correct. Because ये
पिछले
पूरा
आधे घंटे
paper
से
ही
आपने
है.
राइट आपने जो बोला कि इट इज अबाउट द सर्वाइवल एंड द रिप्रोडक्शन तो मतलब इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक ड्रिल हो गया दिमाग के अंदर. But I think with this subject, there are with the examples that you have shared, with the observation that you have shared, I think that makes it more interesting to learn the subject. I mean, I am finding it quite interesting to know about the subject and how you can observe these patterns or behaviors or emotions or feelings for that matter, right?
And also, if you go to see even human features, okay, why are Russians so okay? Why an African is so dark complexioned?
Mm-hmm.
equator, more rays from the sun. So being dark stops the ultraviolet rays to get into the skin, which prevents skin cancer.
Oh,
So
wow.
if you look at US people who are very fair, who tend to
Mm-hmm.
sunbask, are more
Right.
prone to skin cancer because एक तो वो लोग sunbasking, ultraviolet.
Hmm.
So it has its own purpose. So if you observe, again it enhances survival. Why? Because cancer is not going to enhance survival.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ma'am, so there are a few questions
So in
that
that way, you have to really explore places. Huh.
I have a few questions from on Facebook Live that we are doing. So I'm going to, guys, take up those questions once we have understood the subjects and the challenges and the tips to overcome it, and then I'm going to take up your questions, and I'm sure ma'am would be able to give you a relevant understanding for that. So, ma'am,
Yes.
please continue to what you were saying.
Yeah. So I was saying that if you look at examples of even physical features and
Mm-hmm.
connect it to their climatic conditions, the cultures
Hmm.
will always have relevance and evidence in evolutionary psychology.
Okay. Okay. Interesting. Ma'am,
Example say Makar Sankranti. Why do we have till good?
okay. I have no idea.
Example
You can put some light.
why till good? Because it generates heat in the body.
Mm-hmm.
It generates heat in the body,
Mm-hmm.
and that time the sun is moving from southern hemisphere to northern hemisphere. So body needs that warmth which is generated within the body.
Right.
Who are eating a lot of good. How often the mother में से ज़्यादा गुड़ मत खा, heat हो जाएगा body में. So
Mm-hmm.
in that way, when it is winter, we would like to eat such kind of
Hey,
nutritious food
food,
because it
yes.
has a purpose. One, it enhances your survival. Similarly, monsoon, अपना बॉम्बे, मकई,
Hmm.
भुट्टा,
Hmm.
गरम गरम मसाला,
Yeah.
भजिया.
मेरे मुंह में पानी आ गया मैम.
So evolutionary psychology, you can connect it to anything. If you go to
Yeah.
Ladakh, they have a special type of tea which
Right.
adds salt in
Yes.
conditions. Salt is needed to retain water in the body.
Yes. Yes.
Why do you think tea water does not evaporate? Because there is
मैम वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है. I couldn't hear you. Last sentence what you
abhi
said.
abhi.
Last. हाँ,
I
you're
said
fine now.
sea water. Ladakh में salt
Yeah,
डालते
I heard that.
हैं. Is
Right.
the purpose it winter में डिहाइड्रेशन हो सकता है.
Mm-hmm.
ओके. सी
Right.
वाटर में सॉल्ट है,
Hmm.
इसलिए तो समुंदर का पानी इवेपोरेट नहीं होता है, वो पानी खींच के रखता है सॉल्ट. सो
I
इफ यू
think that's an
observe the
it's
day you have eaten little salt,
mm-hmm.
more, you'll realize you're thirsty.
हाँ.
So people who are BP patients, kidney patients, are not allowed to eat salt because that retains water and it puts a load on the kidney.
Right.
So in that way, the fascinating part is everything
Yeah, it looks
you
quite
and I may not
fascinating, ma'am.
understand its logic,
No, but it completely makes
and
sense
if
with
you
the
look
kind
at
of
it, is because
experiences we go through.
and just because you cannot understand it logically, happen in universe or world.
Mm-hmm.
Everything is logical in the universe. If you
Absolutely. I
do
think
not
nature
have
has
the
its own
condition,
way,
you have to raise your.
level of
It has a
awareness.
purpose because again the survival. Rarely you will
Everything
see a
comes.
creation actually damaging itself. Yes. That's why Corona also has mutated. वो अपना रूप बदल दिया ताकि वो survive कर सके.
Right. Ma'am, my next question
So
about this
you can
subject.
trace it to. Yes.
Yeah. Definitely you can take it forward, but
Huh.
I'm going to ask you my question and then you can link to it. So, with respect to
Yes.
the subject, what would be the tips that you would share with students who are learning this subject so that it becomes more
Students.
interesting for them? Yes. What kind of tips would you like
First,
to share?
faster we accept the reality, faster we accept this reality,
Mm-hmm.
the better for us. So there's no
Right.
resistance, no defense mechanisms, or rather low resistance, low defense mechanisms, and you're able to confront reality, which means your psychological disorders, physical illnesses tend to be low. That is first.
Okay, that's very
Second is
important.
it gives you the insight of why we are the way we are.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
अगर ये बंदा सेल्फिश है किस वजह से सर्वाइवल उसको सब कुछ चाहिए ताकि वो अपने आप को सर्वाइवल इंश्योर कर सके बंदा
मैम,
गुस्से वाला है
मैम मैं ये पॉइंट पे मैं आपको बोलूंगी कि शायद लोग बहुत सारे लोग होंगे जो डिसएग्री करेंगे ये बात पे या उनके दिमाग में डाउट होगा एंड देयर आर क्वेश्चंस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन व्हिच आई एम गोइंग टू टेक इट लेटर ऑन तो फिर तो यू आई एम श्योर यू विल हैव एन आंसर फॉर देम कि
दैट इज
हाउ
व्हाई आई
टू
सेड एवोल्यूशन that's why that's why I said evolutionary psychology challenges these beliefs
राइट
और कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता बंदा socially you expect the person to be giving
हम्म
but evolutionary wise it is no point
हम्म
so अगर सारे सेल्फिश हो जाते हैं तो भी उसका जीन्स वहीं पे खत्म हो जाएगा वो कॉपी ऑफ जीन्स को मल्टीप्लाई नहीं की तो सारे जो उसके ऑफस्प्रिंग है सिर्फ सेल्फिश ही रहेंगे
okay that's quite
दैट इज
amusing
व्हेन
to
प्रो सोशल बिहेवियर कम्स इन
sorry I
yes
couldn't hear you
we talk about
can you
pro
repeat it
social behavior
pro social
I say
behavior
that is where pro social behavior comes in
right
but if you remember एग्जाम के टाइम पे आप अपने फ्रेंड को बहुत हेल्प कर रहे हो अपना पढ़ाई छोड़ के व्हाट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग अ पेरेंट विल टेल यू पहला अपना कर
पहला अपना कर
खुद
हाँ
फेल होके आएगी उसको एग्जैक्टली तो वहां पे इफ यू गो टू सी सेल्फिश नॉट इन अ नेगेटिव कॉनोटेशन ideally all of us are selfish what is important is how many people are in the radio
मैम वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है
my
वॉइस ब्रेक हो
friends
रही है
my college my student I look at all of us are selfish
ये
okay the
ठीक है
moment you say I comes into the picture it becomes selfish so even if I say I want you to be happy I become selfish but very important how many people come in your radius of I capital I alphabet I
राइट
so when I say y'all are my friends my students then in that radius comes many people it's just not about me whoever I have identified I feel belonging to they come in that part of so without looking at it negatively how many people are in your radius of I makes you probably unselfish compared to only thinking about me myself as such I me myself
that's a very interesting way to look at how you define that I तो पहले तो यही समझ में आता था कि I is about myself or about me but when you say that in my radius how many people come in that I that's a very interesting take so yeah then you I mean then हम नहीं बोल सकते कि हम selfish हो रहे हैं yeah
exactly
that's quite right
And that's
So,
why
ma'am,
relationships work as we.
yes.
Relationships work when
Hmm.
I turns into we or us.
Right.
So it is not
Absolutely.
only about what am I getting from it, it's like what we both are getting in it.
Absolutely. Makes sense completely. मैम और कोई टिप्स होगी to make the subject interesting for students?
So is also when you look at these concepts, phenomena,
Uh-huh.
introspect,
हाँ.
look into your life
Mm-hmm.
where you can apply this and puzzled, confused, saying मैं ऐसे क्यों behave कर रही हूँ. You will get your answers to these two themes only: survival and reproduction. Best friends get jealous with their other friend. Mate attraction, reproduction. Why do we not like a girl talking to a man? When emotional fidelity is very important, and for a man, sexual fidelity is very, very important. So, if you look at sexual fidelity, is because fertilization happens within the woman's womb. So, a woman is it is her bacha, but a man can be sure ये उसी का बच्चा है. Marginalized children, that is, children who come from prostitutes, are looked down upon. We never know who their father is. And we all have a tradition of having our father's name, your middle name. Of course, with time, they've included mother's name also. But mother is 100% sure it is her child, but the father can never be sure if it is his child or not. So, is that women generally keep on saying, example, the child looks like you, the child is exactly like father, उसके नाक देखो एकदम पप्पा जैसे हैं, including will tell the child looks more like the father than the mother. So the mother is also very happy. So is one evidence she can give the husband that the child is purely yours. And the moment the father has that surety, he is then able to allocate those resources to the child as such. Now, that is how you realize when it comes to divorced women, widows not like to marry them because they don't like to allocate those resources to someone else's children as such.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
If you look at within yourself, you'll find any number of evidence. You can counter question yourself, read, observe. You will realize that all those answers are just there out in the world.
Yeah.
And oh my God, it's so boring. सिर्फ ये दो ही बातों reality तो है ही वही. If you look at advertisements, you look at any film, serials, it will always talk about these two aspects: reproduction and survival. So if you have a villain and a hero, it is about survival. If it is about एक लड़की के ऊपर दो लड़के fight, production. When we talk about Swayamvar,
Mm-hmm.
matches, you engage in a competition, whether you call it
मैम
that
आवाज
girl
ब्रेक
will
हो
kiss
रही है.
this boy.
आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है.
कहाँ तक सुना आपने?
स्वयंवर was what you're talking
कहाँ
about.
तक सुना?
Swayamvar was what you were talking
Swayam.
about. Yeah.
There are series, yeah. So there are series of challenges in Swayamvar. So a man who comes to the end in a way pool is much superior to send proposals for.
Hmm.
And remember, women will always be choosy about whom do they wish to mate with, who should be the father of their children.
Mm-hmm.
literally, as we have heard, zalim zamana, dushman zamana, pyar ke liye, is because girl's family would not want to bring up an offspring which the father is not willing to take responsibility. And for that, we have the concept of marriage or the phenomenon of marriage, wherein it is undoubtedly unspoken that the man will take care of the woman
Your
as well
voice
as
is
the
breaking,
offspring.
ma'am.
Yeah, till where did you hear?
About the phenomenon of marriage.
Yeah, so it's the
Phen-
match. Though we have new phenomena like delivery, still has a way of allocating resources on child and wife.
Mhm.
Live in is I want to test my mate, I want to see if we are compatible or not. But that also has an evolutionary reasons behind it. Would you like to mate with this person and become a mother of his children? So if you look, the tips is observe, apply. Imagine to yourself. See where you can apply these concepts in around you. And
Absolutely.
apply the concepts to even films. You will find n number of examples support.
Mm-hmm. Sure. So, ma'am, one more
So it
question
is
before
very
I.
interesting, and preferably if you
हाँ हाँ बोलिए बोलिए.
one more way you can make it interesting is you can discuss topic by topic and learn where it when you discuss, when you engage in active discussion and learning, your points will be remembered there because you have so much of information you're enriching it.
Right.
That is also another way of learning the subject.
I think that absolutely makes ways here. So, yeah, you said that to the tips to learn the subject would be the discussion or discussion and applying it in your life in different connotations
You
or
can
in
even
different
interview
areas.
parents, family members.
Absolutely,
They
yeah.
can even interview family members and all and just ask them कि आपने ही क्यों चुना इतने सारे लड़कियों में से आपने जो देखा will they themselves will give you the answer. She
I think
looked
that really
beautiful to
makes
me.
you. Yes, yes. I can
The
actually
family
relate to some of the points. I can definitely relate to it. Yeah, so I think they can learn through, like you said, suggested that interviewing the parents or your grandparents or your relations and know the, explore more in the field. Also, you can have discussion with your co-students. You can also apply it in your life in various aspects of your life and also become, it makes you more aware. So that's, I think that's a more interesting way to learn the subject and not feel bored about it. I think that's a wonderful way of putting across. And ma'am, I think she has given a lot of knowledge and understanding of the subject of how it is everywhere. मतलब evolutionary psychology हम हर एक चीज में उसको apply कर पा रहे हैं. So ma'am, the last question before I take up the questions from the Facebook Live that is going on is that what would be your
yeah like for
one.
example Miss Bada
I can't
yeah
hear you,
like for
ma'am.
example even having if you look at I said even talks that we're having you can list evolutionary reasons like this
It's
will help
your voice
students
is
in their
breaking.
careers
Your voice is breaking.
students now now
Yeah, now
now
it's fine. It's fine now, ma'am. It's fine.
I said even the psych talks that you're having huh
Yes.
yeah this is also can be understood from the evolutionary perspective.
Okay.
How evolutionary this subject from the better in turn when they are good with their work it enhances probability job prospects.
Mm-hmm. Your voice is breaking, ma'am, and I
And
am
the
not
job
able to hear
prospects are
you.
better pay, better salary.
Could you just explain the last part of it again because your voice is breaking?
Yeah, I said the psych talks that you're having.
Yes,
Okay, like I'm the second guest in your psych talks. Even
yes,
this has a purpose and can be understood from evolutionary side. That is,
right,
students who are there live, for example, or whoever wants to know about this subject
right,
will have a better understanding of human behavior. In turn,
yes,
enhance their knowledge, which influence their careers and apply it in their job situations.
mm-hmm.
Understand personal relationship,
Mm-hmm.
which in turn makes them more skilled and
Yes,
qualified for earning better pay, in turn enhancing survival because then they're capable of attracting resources which comes with better pay.
yeah. Ma'am, my
So
last question,
everything has a
huh,
purpose.
right. So my last
Yeah.
question, uh, before I take up the Facebook questions, is what would be the one message for the young and budding psychologists or students that you would like to give?
Okay. One is life has be open to offer you.
Voice is breaking,
Be
ma'am.
open.
Mm-hmm.
I said be open to what life has to offer you.
Mm-hmm. Be open to what life
Be
has to offer you.
receptive. Life existed before us and life after us also.
Okay, I lost you in between. Can you repeat
So
after the?
nature, I said, life has existed before us.
Mm-hmm.
Life will exist after us.
Right.
That means nature is highly intelligent.
Yes.
In other words, the more you are receptive, the more you respect what life has to offer, it will open up opportunities for you, which in turn enhances your survival and reproduction as such. And along
Okay.
with that, remember, life will always decondition us. And what I
Right.
mean deconditioning us is if you have
Mm-hmm.
come decondition us, that is, if you have a particular belief, life will give you exactly opposite instance of that belief. You have felt all will always be with you. Life will give you an example where people will leave you and go, people and go. That way it works in deconditioning us. We
Okay.
are all unique. We are all unique. Life will never create another you. Your child anyway becomes 50% different from you. You are already different from your parents.
Yes.
Just like you.
Your voice
Even
is
the
breaking, ma'am.
fingerprints of identical twins.
Hmm.
Now,
Now is fine.
even fingerprints of identical twins, even fingerprints of identical twins who share 100% genetic heredity have
Mm-hmm.
different fingerprints. That
Yes.
is an indication we are all unique. We may not be special. There can never be another Misbah ma'am. There can never be another Veena ma'am. There can never be another Sanjana. May many like us. Okay, and also we all come from nature or we come from nothing and we go back to nothing. So there is nothing to be proud about. We come from nothing and we go back to nothing. So, in other words, since you have chosen the subject psychology, it means somewhere you're willing to accept that reality. And I would associate psychology with Shiv or consciousness.
Mm-hmm.
That is Shiv Bhagwan or consciousness.
Mm-hmm.
That is awareness. And when Shiv or consciousness chooses you for this subject, there is a tremendous responsibility on you. So you
Okay.
need to be more aware, need to be more mindful, need to be more conscious before you make people be more aware.
Right. So, ma'am, can we take up questions from the audience?
Yes, yes.
Uh, so there is a question from Priha, I think, and she's asking that what about individuals who do not want to reproduce? Many married couples are not choosing to have children.
In that way, somewhere if you look at the genetic pool, here
Mm-hmm.
in evolutionary psychology, there is a term called as differential reproductive success. Differential reproductive success. That means all of us have different reproducing capacity. May not even have one child also, even if they want to. Some may have series of children even if they don't want to.
Okay.
The point here is the set over there itself.
I think
It
I
may be
missed your.
carried over in your, I
I missed
said,
your
your
point.
genes. That is your, I said, your husband and your woman and will sit over there. उनका genes
I,
anyway अलग है. Differential reproductive success simply means 10 children. I may not choose to have.
hmm.
Someone may want children, but they may not have a child.
Mm-hmm.
Someone may die early, like for example, Sushant Singh Rajput.
Mm-hmm.
His genes will not be carried further.
Okay. So
जो
there.
उसके genes है,
Hmm.
जिसको
Ma'am, your
बोलते हैं ना
voice is
वंशज.
your voice is
अभी
breaking completely. अभी ठीक है. Um.
अभी
So there's a question from
अभी
Parinita.
हाँ. I said
There's a
हम लोग में वो हाँ.
there's a question.
Why the emphasis is on a man? हाँ.
Mm-hmm.
बोलो. Maybe all will be answered together. पूछो.
Okay. Okay. So there's a question from Parinita that any books that you can suggest to know more about evolutionary psychology.
Yeah, one is this prominent book, if you all can see.
Ma'am, we can't see. It's quite dark. Ma'am, we can put. You can just say the name. I'll put it in the. Okay, evolutionary psychology, new science of the mind. Uh, I can put it into
By
the
David,
by David.
Buss, Buss.
By David Buss. So there's a book known as
David Buss. Huh.
Evolutionary Psychology by David Buss. If there are
The
any
new
more, then I will.
science of the mind.
Sure. So if there are any more such books, I think I will take up from ma'am and we will put it on the comment section so you can definitely refer it. More questions I think are there that So obviously there's somebody who is saying that in today's time there is DNA is also a proof of being the father of or the father of the child, and nowadays hospitals also allow father to be in the OT. So there are a lot of ways the man can know about him being the father of that child. So what would be your
Yeah,
take
but what about
on that?
corruption? What about corruption?
Okay, and can you explain more on that? Corruption, matlab, how is that related?
In the sense, anyone can fund it.
नहीं मैम
It
आपकी
has
आवाज
also come with evolution.
yeah
I said
yeah
even DNA tests have come
hmm.
with evolution.
Agreed
Why
agreed
have
I
people
think
developed that? Is because of way of ensuring paternity certainty.
makes
But
sense yes
जो बंदे को मानना ही नहीं है, आपको कोई भी डीएनए टेस्ट दो मानेगा.
mm-hmm. Okay and
These tests,
ma'am
it's
your voice
only
is
the woman
breaking
who knows
your
that
voice is breaking
whatever the test is, even knows who is the father of
hmm.
the child.
right right so there is one person who's also talked that actually what you're saying is about uh, Freud's pain and pleasure theory.
In if you have to talk about pain and pleasure,
Mm-hmm.
pleasure enhances survival. Pain was stimulus
Mm-hmm.
because it is not enhancing your survival.
Mm-hmm.
So many a times we may come across exceptions where people do engage in abusive relationships. बहुत पेन होगा पर रिसोर्सेस भी तो होंगे.
Hmm. Right.
Often the woman is same बच्चे को लेकर कहाँ जाऊंगी.
Yes.
He should be a good father.
Right. Ma'am, there is one more question. So also I would suggest that so there is Rashi who's also asked that can it also be part of interpersonal psychology as well, evolutionary psychology?
In that way can be a multidisciplinary subject.
Mm-hmm.
When we look at trade, advertisements, biology, physics, everything has to go to see sounds a little biased. Everything is psychology. Everything about psychology sounds biased. That's what I said. You can have psychology of bankers, you can have psychology of that. Multidisciplinary. But for convenience of understanding, we have segregated it as evolutionary psychology, positive psychology, industrial psychology,
Right.
abnormal environmental psychology.
Ma'am, there's one question from I think Spriya itself that but with this globalization and inclusive world, how far these theories are still relevant?
Very relevant. Why are we having globalization? Why are we having globalization? With contacts across the world, you are enhancing your sales. You want people to come and buy your products. And when sales are high, and when money is high, आपका सर्वाइवल का ऑटोमेटिक चांसेस हाई हो जाते हैं बिकॉज रिसोर्सेस हाई हो जाते हैं.
Right. Right. So we have.
And why mechanization?
Mhm.
Mechanization. In a certain unit of time, you can produce multiple goods so that you
Hmm.
can reach out to so many people at the same time, which again in turn comes back to money.
So there's a
Now, why
question
have you
from.
all started online teaching?
Yeah.
Now, this is also one form of evolution. Really, this should have been a proper seminar in a room where all of us are facing each other. But this is also an evolution. Right now, under these conditions, we can have a webinar.
Right. So there's a question from Anita. Do you think that with times even evolutionary psychology needs to be updated or upgraded?
Eventually, the theme will be the same. Whatever the phenomenon is, survival or reproduction ही रहेगा, whatever we do on planet Earth. Why suddenly the demand for N95 masks came into existence? It enhances survival. So I've known of so many people in inverted quotes who have left business and started selling N95 masks.
Yes, I'm aware about some
What about
myself.
the Corona Khakra, immunity booster Khakra? एक तरफ से पौष्टिकता भी है, एक तरफ से रेवेन्यू भी आ रहा है. You may have many new researches in a variety of field, adding to the big theme that it is eventual. So the beauty of this subject is you have to trace it back. You really cannot conduct an experiment in the present now and go back millions of years ago.
Mhm.
And yet at the same time, when you ask people, it will eventually come down to these two factors.
Okay, ma'am, I think we have almost reached, we have actually passed time today. We are almost at 8:45, and I'm wrapping up the session here. So I would start with a very big thank you to you for joining us, for giving us insight, so much of insight on the evolutionary psychology, and for answering our questions, the questions from my end, as well as questions that have come from your audience. I'm also, I'm thanking all people who are watching us. I'm really sorry for the kind of, I think there is a network issue, so the audio has not been that great, but we'll make sure that next time onwards we
Yes.
have a better audio, and yeah, it becomes a smoother session. Before I wind it up, I would also like to um, thank you once again, everybody, as well as Veena ma'am, for her valuable inputs and time. And I would also like to tell you all about at iChas, we have different initiatives that we have started. Like we do have online support groups for psychologists and psychology students. We have different courses that we are offering with respect to anxiety and relationship. If you have any kind of questions or inquiries, you can definitely get in touch with us at our website, which is www.ichars.com. ichars is ichars.com. And or you can find us on Facebook page on ichars as well as Institute of Clinical Hypnosis and Related Sciences. Once again, before I, take a sign off, I would like to reiterate my promise of visiting a mental care practitioner. In case in future, if I have any kind of, emotional or mental effort or issues, so I will definitely seek a help of a mental health practitioner. And in the next session on next Friday, that is 17th, third episode, we are going to talk on clinical psychology. And I'm looking forward to see you all and with all the questions you have. And once again, thank you so much for everybody being present on the FB Live, as well as thank you, ma'am, for giving us a lot of understanding and information on evolutionary psychology, making us think about how things are evolving around us from the time that we are aware about. Ma'am, is there anything that you would like to share before we sign off?
Yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you, Misbah. Thank you, ICHR's team. All the best to all of you all. Thank you. And
Thank you
extremely
so
sorry
much.
for that internet connection also.
Yes, we will definitely take care of it, and maybe in future we can come up with different other sessions. So, yeah, not to regret on that. So,
Yeah,
yes, good night and
yeah.
have a
Thank you.
lovely weekend. Good night and have a
Yeah,
lovely
good
weekend,
night.
everybody.
Yes.
And see you next week again on Friday,
Yeah, good
7:30
night.
on 17th.
Thank you.
I am